NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question 1. Triangle ABC with vertices A minus 2, 0, B 2, 0, and C 0, 2 is similar to triangle DEF with vertices D minus 4, 0, E 4, 0, and F 0, 4. This is the given statement and we have to check whether this statement is true or false. Let us find the answer. Since we are given the vertices of the two triangles, we can find their lengths and use side similarity criterion to check if the two triangles are similar. To check if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, we have to verify the ratios of the corresponding sides. AB by DE, BC by EF, and CA by FD. These ratios should be equal. Now we have to find the lengths of these sides in the two triangles. First, let us find the lengths of the sides in triangle ABC. We are given points A, B, and C, and to find the length of AB, it is the distance between the two vertices, vertex A and vertex B. AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where vertex A is the point x1 y1 and vertex B is the point x2 y2. Let us substitute these values in the distance formula. That is equal to root over x2 is 2, x1 is minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 0 whole square. That is equal to root over 2 minus of minus 2 is 4, so 4 square plus the second term is 0 square. Root over 4 square is 4. Therefore length of the side AB is 4 units. Now let us find the length of the side BC. What is the length? What is the length BC? It is the distance between the vertices B and C. Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where vertex B is the point x1 y1 and vertex C is the point x2 y2. Substitute the values, we get root over x2 is 0 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 2 minus y1 is 0 whole square. That is equal to root over 2 square plus 2 square, which is 8 under root, equal to 2 times root 2. Therefore length of the side BC is 2 times root 2 units. Now let us find the length of the side CA, distance between the vertex C and vertex A, equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to vertex C is the point x1 y1 and vertex A is the point x2 y2. Let us substitute these values. We get root over x2 is minus 2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 2 whole square. That is equal to root over 2 square plus 2 square, which is root 8, 2 times root 2. Therefore length of the side CA is 2 times root 2. Now let us find the side lengths of triangle DEF. The length of the side DE is the distance between the vertex D and vertex E. Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Vertex D is point x1 y1 and vertex E is point x2 y2. Let us substitute these values. Root over x2 is 4 minus x1 is minus 4 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 0 whole square. That is equal to root over 4 minus of minus 4 is 8. 8 square plus the second term is 0. Root over 8 square equal to 8. Therefore, length of the side DE is 8 units. Now let us find the length of the side EF, which is the distance from vertex E to vertex F. Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Vertex E is point x1 y1 and vertex F is point x2 y2. Root over x2 is 0 minus x1 is 4 whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is 0 whole square. That is equal to root over 4 square plus 4 square. Root over 2 times 4 square. 4 can be brought outside and it becomes 4 times root 2. Therefore, length of the side EF is 4 times root 2 units. Now let us find the length of the side FD. Distance from vertex F to vertex D. Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Formula for distance between 2 points. Here vertex F is point 1 x1 y1 and vertex D is point x2 y2. Substitute the values. x2 is minus 4 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 4 whole square. That is equal to root over 4 square plus 4 square. 2 times 4 square under root. We can bring 4 outside the root and it becomes 4 times root 2. Therefore, length of the side FD is 4 times root 2 units. We have found the lengths of all the 3 sides in triangle DEF. Now we have already seen that if triangle ABC has to be similar to triangle DEF, then the ratios AB by DE, BC by EF, CA by FD must be equal. Right. Let us summarize what we have found. In triangle ABC we have found the other 3 sides, and in triangle DEF we have found all the 3 sides. AB by DE. For the side AB in triangle ABC, the corresponding side in triangle DEF is DE. Therefore, the ratio AB by DE. AB is 4 units, DE is 8 units. 1 by 2. BC by EF. Similar to sides AB and DE, BC and EF are the corresponding sides. BC is 2 times root 2, EF is 4 times root 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Next, CA by FD. CA and FD are the corresponding sides in the triangles ABC and DEF. CA is 2 times root 2 and FD is 4 times root 2, which becomes 1 by 2. From these 3 ratios, we can say that AB by DE, BC by EF and CA by FD are all equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Therefore, the given statement is true, and that is our final answer.